Hi, I am Umang. I am mentor for interior designing for Edutrest. There's a misconception among majority of the people that interior designing and interior decoration are the same thing, because an interior designer can always be an interior decorator, but it's not necessary that every interior decorator is an interior designer as well. A designer is somebody who designs each and every aspect, every element of your space to your preferences. But a decorator is somebody who takes the given elements and arranges it in a way to your best possible outcome. To become an interior designer, there are a lot of skills that are usually required. The first one being patience. You require a lot of patience, because when you are designing something, it is extremely necessary that you do it with patience. Other thing is that you should have creativity and practical knowledge to apply it, because somebody who is creative will be able to achieve a lot of things. Okay, they are going to make the best possible use of the space. Okay, they are going to create something for your need, and with the practical knowledge of how to apply it is something that is a very important skill required in interior designing. The last but not the least is resourcefulness. Somebody who is resourceful, because it is very easy when people get lots of things, lots of resources, when they have a lot of money to spend on something, and they can create an amazing thing out of it. But it is very necessary for an interior designer to be resourceful, because when they are resourceful, they will be able to create something out of the very limited means provided to them. Of course, experience matters for everything. Obviously, experience makes a man better. I won't say perfect, because there is always a gap for learning. There is always a space and scope for learning. So yeah, of course, experience does make you better at interior designing, but it's not necessary that when you begin, you're going to be a disaster. Okay, so when you begin it, it may be possible that you are already very good at it, but obviously with experience, you'll always improve with time.